Greetings. Myself, N. Visha, Department of Microbiology, Secretary College, Autonomous, Tirupattur. In this video, we have to see about the production of plant protein using the spirulina. First, we have to see about the objective. To develop innovative, cost-effective and resource-efficient food to significantly enhance the quality and quantity of proteins, new age employment generation, to fight against malnutrition, particularly in child and women, to enhance the food security in India. Next one is background. For adults, the protein requirement per kilogram body weight is considered to be the same for both sexes at all ages and body weights within the acceptable range. The value accepted for the safe level of intake is 0.75 gram per kilogram per day in terms of proteins with the digestibility of milk or egg. This amounts to 56 gram per day for the average sedentary man, 46 gram per day for the average sedentary woman. 1 kilogram of dry spirulina powder is being sold at rupees 1000 in the market. Next, we have to see about diets high in plant protein are linked to many benefits. Lower risk of heart diseases, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, protein against weight gain. Correlation does not imply causation. Next, we have to see about the mission and vision. Our mission is to work with National Nutrition Mission's target, that is NNM targets, to reduce stunting, undernutrition, anemia among young children, women and adolescent girls, and reduce low birth weight by 2%, 2%, 3% and 2% per annum respectively. Next, what is spirulina? Spirulina is a type of naturally occurring blue-green microalgae which can be grown in warm water, alkaline water conditions. Spirulina can be grown in wild waters and at home or indoors. Next, spirulina uses and health benefits. Spirulina used in manufacture of several medicines and cosmetics. The following are some of the health benefits of spirulina. Spirulina strengthens the immune system. It improves the digestion. Spirulina may prevent from certain type of cancers. It is good for women and children since it contains easy to absorb iron supplements. It is excellent source of beta carotene, hence can consider this as a good antioxidant and good for eye health, good for muscle building. Next, we have to see about what are the methodology requirements to grow the spirulina. You must have a tank with your preferable size. It can be a cement or plastic. In order to harvest and squeeze the water out of thick spirulina, you must have some kind of harvesting equipment like fine cloths and mesh. You may require thermometer, air pump, water pump for circulation, pH meter, electric water heater and any LED lights. Plain water may not be good options for growing the spirulina, so you need to buy minerals for better growth of algal. This food or cultural medium is mandatory for growing this superfood. Plain filtered water plus sodium bicarbonate plus magnesium sulfate plus potassium nitrate plus citric acid plus common salt plus urea plus calcium chloride plus iron sulfate plus ammonium sulfate. Followed by the spirulina thrives best in warm temperatures and ideal temperatures for its growth is between 38 degrees Celsius. This can tolerate low temperature. You can use water heaters to increase the required temperature. You need spirulina seeds to start your culture or you can buy spirulina. Spirulina starter kit contains the mother spirulina culture, that is algae, in the bottle along with the medium, that is water. You must make sure to buy from certified store. Thus, it can be grown in any size of tank. Fill this tank with 1000 liters of water to a height of about 1 to 2 feet. This tank size requires an about 1 kilogram of spirulina mother culture. This spirulina culture along with required minerals should be released into the tank. The minerals required for this scenario is 8 grams of sodium bicarbonate plus 5 gram of sodium chloride plus 0.2 gram of urea plus 0.5 gram of potassium sulfate plus 0.16 gram of magnesium sulfate plus 0.052 ml of phosphoric acid plus 0.05 ml of ferrous sulfate. These measurements should be considered for 1 liter of water. After releasing the mother culture and minerals into the tank, the water should be agitated every day for 1 week using a longer stick for 25 to 30 minutes. Drying racks needed in case of more production to dry the produce and preserve it. Yeah, and this is a spirulina cultivation field. Next, we have to see about what are the parameters for growing this spirulina. So, growing area, maybe tank, pool, basins, should have proper sunlight as spirulina is like a plant and need light to survive. Requires temperatures maintenance in tanks for maximum yield. Frequent agitation should be carried out to ensure all the spirulina filaments have access to carbon dioxide and light. Ensure to have the right culture medium and perfect water for better growth and high yield. Next, how to harvest and post harvesting in spirulina growing. After 2 to 3 weeks, spirulina will be ready to pick. Use any small and clean plastic buckets or a mesh to collect the algae and pour the algae into a mounted filter. This can squeeze or drain the excess water from the harvested algae. Subsequently, the drained spirulina should be wrapped in a clean muslin broth. Press the drain materials under a weight of 40 to 50 kilograms to further drain the moisture from material. Now you can put in like noodle manufacturing machines and squeeze in the form of noodles on a dry, clean cloth under the sun. Allow this to dry further for 2 to 3 hours, after which it should be ground in a machine like a flour machine. This ground spirulina powder is be sent to the lab for testing. Once everything is fine, then it should be packed in a small airtight plastic covers and is ready for market and consumption. Next, how to market of plant protein. Global plant-based protein market is expected to reach USD 10,892.3 million by 2022, supported by a CAGR of 6.7% during the forecast period of 2017 to 2022. Asia Pacific is an emerging market for the plant protein market globally. The emerging economy of developing nations increase in population has increased the protein demand in the region. Plant proteins are the ingredients derived from plant sources such as the soy, wheat, pea, hemp, which are rich in amino acid profiles owing to provide great nutritional benefits on health. Plant protein by the soy sauce has contributed the largest market in the region. And this is a spinal product of spirulina plant protein in the market. Thank you.